Looks like my rose did pretty well, but I just have to try to get all these leaves so it can breathe. This is a Cupid's kiss. That's some nice buds.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to Nino and Lo. It's been a while since I've put a video out, but I've been feeling a little bit under the weather. But the good news is that it is finally spring and we're finally able to get out into our gardens. Now I am in Toronto, Canada, which is a zone 5. Some people are now saying a zone 6. I consider it a zone 5. So our last frost date here is May the 24th, 25th. In any case, it's just exciting to be able to start to clean up, move some of the leaf mulch that I had put onto my garden beds and really see what's made it, what's coming up, and to finally be able to start cleaning out beds and preparing for the new gardening season. So let me take you on a quick walkthrough and we'll have a look and see what's going on in the garden.
This is a dragonfly columbine. I'll put the tag back there. Okay. So this is what my heuchera looks like. Nice new purple leaves coming out, but really needs to be cleaned up and shaped up. And here I have my autumn joy sedum. This one seems to be popping out more than the other one. That one looks pretty good. Another heuchera here. This one here is just about popping up. You can see. Just gonna clean that up a little bit. My Brennera over there, I hope it comes back. And I have a columbine there that I'm just gonna clean up. 2 of them.
I have a lot of these primrose that are popping up. I love the way that they look almost like lettuce leaves, but I really like that purple color. And the one thing that I'm finding is a few bunches of these, which are a nasty little weed.
We got these beautiful violas or pansies. I gotta figure out where I want to put those. And here I got my coreopsis coming up. Another little rose here. I think there's another oh so easy peasy. And this is a climber. It's a pink showers climbing rose. This managed to survive. The iris are popping up. I really should divide these after they finish blooming this year. They're a gorgeous yellow. Now I planted a root here of a peony and it looks like it's coming up. Love that. And these sticks, of course, are my Rose of Sharon. That's gonna take its sweet time. It's always the last to put out leaves. This, I believe, is a spirea. I really like that look of the yellow lemony leaves. Now, this is one of my climbing roses. not too bad. I have to prune out those dead canes, but most of it survived. And these two long canes here, I have to batten them down. And I have a boxwood here that I just didn't know where to put it, so I planted it temporarily, and it's still going strong. And that lemon coral sedum there, just popping its head out. This is a hydrangea that I kind of trimmed, but I guess there's some more in there that I could kind of weed out. Daylilies, they spread like wildfire. Like, look at that one way under the hydrangea. They send these runners underneath and they will get everywhere. Just gotta pull out what you don't want. And this is a bloomerang lilac, already setting its buds there. You can kind of see that there. And this lilac blooms twice in the season. Another hydrangea here. These plants really mirror the other side, the boxwood and the lilies, the sedum. Now I had this landscape fabric under here that I was trying to pull out but got snagged. I have to get my shears and really cut that back. But this rose did pretty good. Got some nice canes here that I got to batten down, but they survived. The crown was saved by all that leaf mulch that I put in there. This here is a nice lavender. And this, sedum, believe it or not, was one small little plant that I split up and divided everywhere because I love it so much. Now, all of this loveliness here are phlox. This is my foxglove that overwintered. Hopefully I'll get some blooms on that. Look at that pretty little purple sedum there against that lemon coral. Love that. I have some lupins in here somewhere. I think that's a lupin there. And some of these here are asters in the back there. And of course that mustard weed that's popping up everywhere. Now this bed I haven't gotten to yet. Still has all the leaf mulch that I put. But I'm sure under all these leaves, you see? Look at that. All of the autumn joy sedum coming up. My yucca plant's doing really nicely. I had planted some perennials in here. I have some gaillardia in here that's trying to peek its way up. And I managed to save all my roses this time. And a little one here that's putting out leaves. And this one is a Cupid Kiss. It's a climbing rose. And it's starting. And right behind it is a clematis. And that's already putting on a lot of new growth. And this one is it called a taiga clematis? But that's the picture of it there. Yeah, shooting lots there. And this one over here is my Dr. Rubel. And that's also sending out some shoots there. So that managed to survive the winter, which I'm very happy for. I've got some more phlox here. I think these ones are white. And these are the only tulips that come. I planted hundreds of these many years ago, and these are the only ones that still come. There's 3 clumps of them. Got my daffodils and my tulips. I'm so happy that the squirrels haven't eaten them yet. And here I have an oh so easy peasy rose that made it through the winter. This one is oh so peasy landscape rose. That's what it's supposed to look like there. My daffodils here. This is a Stella d'Oro lily. And tried and true ground cover there. That's my lamium. Pretty little purple flowers. Some more lilies and daffodils. Everything waking up. Now this is a little Japanese maple tree that I bought basically as a twig, but it made it through the winter. It's putting out some leaves. I'm very happy for that. Now this is some lavender here that I cut back pretty hard, and it's pretty woody, so I don't know how much is gonna come back. So I think I'll wrap it up here right at my hydrangea, and I'll end this tour for now because I don't want to make the video too long. I'm sure all of you are in your gardens doing all kinds of work, getting it all ready to plant in a few weeks, or maybe some of you have already planted. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.